The ongoing legal battle over the estate of the late industrialist Sanjay Kapoor has taken a significant turn, with the Delhi High Court issuing a crucial clarification in the high-profile family dispute. The court recently confirmed that Mandira Kapoor, sister of the deceased industrialist, is not a party to the ongoing legal proceedings concerning her brother's estate. This statement came after it was discovered that her name had been mistakenly included in the case records. The confusion arose when court documents showed that lawyers representing Mandira Kapoor had appeared in the matter. However, Priya Kapoor, Sanjay Kapoor's widow, filed a complaint asserting that this was incorrect. She described the inclusion of Mandira's name as a mischievous attempt to mislead the court. In her complaint, Priya stated, "Upon the careful perusal of the case history of the captioned suit, it is apparent and clear that Ms. Mandira Kapoor has not filed any application to be impleaded as a party." Priya further accused this move of being an abuse of process of law and a deliberate effort to create an incorrect record. After reviewing the submissions, the Delhi High Court acknowledged the error and ordered that Mandira Kapoor's name be removed from the official proceedings. The legal dispute revolves around Sanjay Kapoor's estate, which is estimated to be worth a staggering 30,000 crore rupees. Sanjay Kapoor, who passed away suddenly, left behind children from his previous marriage to actress Karishma Kapoor, as well as his widow, Priya Kapoor. The children have challenged the validity of a will presented by Priya Kapoor, labeling it as forged and fabricated. They argue that the will unfairly excludes them and claim their father had promised to secure their financial future by naming them as beneficiaries in a family trust. Priya Kapoor, on the other hand, has defended the will as genuine. She informed the court that the children had already received 1,900 crore rupees from the family trust shortly before filing their lawsuit. Adding to the complexity, Sanjay Kapoor's mother, Rani Kapoor, has also entered the proceedings, claiming she has been left with nothing from the estate. She has accused Priya Kapoor of selling off assets belonging to her late son. In light of the ongoing dispute, the Delhi High Court has directed Priya Kapoor to provide a full disclosure of Sanjay Kapoor's assets to ensure transparency in the case. As the legal battle continues, it remains closely watched by many, given the enormous stakes and the high-profile individuals involved.